Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bately Dately Has Plans. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest order from Erin Condren, as well as my monthly kits for February. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so I have just my monthly kits that I need for my social media planner, my budget planner, as well as my plum paper, and then I ordered a couple of little petite planners from the recent Erin Condren Petite Planner sale. So let's get started. I'm going to start here with these Monarch Plan stickers. This is the monthly kit. It's called Sweet Life. It's kit 355, and so I thought I'd start with her beautiful business card. I think this is so pretty, this sort of watercolor dot back here. So that's her card, as well as you can get a 20% off discount by using Monarch 20, so that's very generous. And then let's see, we have a little freebie here with some assorted icons. Oh, lots of things I use. Love this. This is really great. Grocery shopping and laundry and all of that. So that's a freebie. And then this is the main header sheet. Look at how cute this is. I loved the purple. Like, I don't think I've really done much purple in February. I do February, the whole month, every week is going to be some sort of Valentine's themed kit. Like, I don't know why I do that in February, but it just strikes me to do it. So I love this. This is really sweet. And then I did get like the sheet B, so a couple of boxes, some functional things, as well as scripts. Look at all these birthday scripts. I like those. Appointments, payday, bill due, a couple of little icons here. Oh, a little paw. I love that. And then this is the highlights page, so those circle stickers, check boxes, as well as more scripts, budget, memories, birthdays, wellness. Oh, these are great scripts. I like that. And then some headers here, as well as the washi for the highlights page, the headers there. This is really cute. I like this one here. So fun. I don't know that I've done a Monarch Plans monthly kit. I've done weeklies, but I don't know if I've done a monthly, so I'm excited for that. And then I'm super excited for this. So my friend Saya Planning, is starting to do Happy Planner, the classic Happy Planner sized stickers. So this I'm going to use for my budget planner, which of course is a classic Happy Planner combined with the Budget by Paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom. So this is the main header here. She's got a bunch of boxes, some functional stitched, the date dot. Look at how cute. I just realized this, Saya, the date dots are all different colors. How sweet is that? Fun little icons here, a couple of scripts, payday, and then I got the second sheet here, which is a bunch of boxes, some more like functional boxes here. I love the stitch box. This looks really good. Saya is also working on doing like budget headers for the Budget by Paycheck workbook, so I'm excited to see what she ends up putting on her shop. So keep an eye on her shop. It's on Etsy. It's Saya Planning. This right here is her cute little German Shepherds, Maya. So I am just really excited about it. I told her that if she starts doing the Happy Planner every month, like a monthly kit for every month, I will start using those for my budget planner. So super excited to try this out. Okay, so that's that. And then this kit here is from Fern Creek Stickers. It's called My Valentine. And I have here the freebie, the My Valentine freebie. So it's got some cute little scallops here, a little flat lay sticker, some checkbox stickers. And then this is the main monthly sheet. So because it's my social media, this is really all I need. So just the headers, a couple of scripts here for the days of the week, some icons, the date dots, and 2 strips of washi. So that's for my social media planner. So I'll put those to the side, and then let's take a look at my Erin Condren Petite Planner. So this one here is the travel journal, as you can see here. It says it includes 4 weekly itinerary spreads, 28 daily planning spreads, packing and prep lists, daily spending trackers, daily spaces for memory keeping, lists to remember favorite places, illustrative metallic sticker sheet. I thought this was really cute. So I am doing a girls trip for my birthday with my cousin, who is also my hairdresser. And so I thought this will be fun. Like I want to start kind of journaling. My mom has always had a travel journal whenever she goes on any of her trips. She's a world traveler, and so she always takes a journal. and journals in it. So this is so cute. Oh, I love this peachy color. And of course, it's got the really nice Erin Condren paper. So there's a place here to put your name. So we've got reservations and to-dos, a journey to, and you've got flight information here, rental car lodging, what to do the week before, like a checklist for the week before, the day before, your packing list, so essentials, toiletries, technology, clothing, others. My girls are really good at creating packing lists. I taught them that at a young age, and Emma's packing up to go back to school tomorrow, and I saw her little list sitting on her dresser. Thought it was cute. Places to visit, landmarks, entertainment, shops, restaurants. I love this. This is so exciting, especially when you're going somewhere new where you haven't been before. So if there's certain entertainment you want to do or certain, landmarks you want to see, that kind of stuff. So trip itinerary. Oh, this is great. Day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So enough for a full week. And then daily adventures, the weather. You just circle what day of the week it is there, what you're seeing, what you're wearing, where you have reservations, your meals. Oh, I love this. Favorite moment from today. And none of this is dated, so you just fill in your own day. And expenses. Oh, this is really good. I like this. And then, this box would be perfect for like a little HP Sprocket photo here, that size. Okay, so here's another sheet, another week or day, however, daily adventure. So we've got those here. Just kind of keeps going. And then you've got another, same thing. It just repeats itself a different color. So reservations and to-dos, your packing list, places to visit, your trip itinerary, and then daily adventures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then your next trip in this gray color. So flip through all of that. Let's just see if I think there's another one, yeah. And then there's another trip here, reservations to do in this sort of like indigo kind of violet color. So same thing, I'm just flipping through, friends. Let's see, yeah, so let's get to the end of this. Is that the same? Oh, nope, I think there's another, yeah. I thought maybe there was another trip. Okay, so this is places to visit again, and those same categories, landmarks, entertainment, shops, and restaurant. Places to visit next time. Oh, this is smart. Oh, I'm super excited. You've got some dot grid pages here. This is a fun thing to freeform journal or put pictures here. Oh, another sheet of dot grid, so that's cool. And then here's the stickers. Oh, how cute. Explore, vacay, let's go. Let's hit the road. How fun. So I know I have our Las Vegas already planned out and trip, like my Las Vegas trip, mostly planned out. We don't have our restaurants yet, but then I also have a trip to Irvine that I'm plan on taking my girls to. So that's why I got this, because I knew I had at least 2 trips this year that I want to keep in this journal. And then we're trying to do a big family vacation as well with a couple of my brothers. So I wanted to have this book for that. So that's the travel journal. So cute. I'm excited for that. Okay. This next one, friends, you are going to laugh. How did I not know Erin Condren had this? Like, I've totally missed this. It's the Pet Care Petite Planner. How perfect for me, for Otis. This includes pet medical information logs, groomer logging pages, contact sheets, yearly overview pages for important dates and notes. And it says, some things just fill your heart without trying. That is so true about pets, right? Okay, so I'm excited about this. Also because I want to get a new vet for him. So I think it'd be great to have kind of some things logged in here. Okay, it says how to use this petite planner. So it gives you instructions, planning and tracking, savoring the memories. Me and my best bud, that's so cute. Oh, I think I skipped that. Oh yeah, so it just has a title page, just like every other planner. I'm going to put this book belongs to Otis. But this is so cute. I can put a picture of him in here. Savoring the memories. It says the second part of this pet petite planner is dedicated to capturing the wonderful and hilarious moments with your pet over the years or even last week. How cute. Okay, so let's flip through. All about my pet. So name, sex, birthday, gotcha date, species, breed, nicknames, favorite places in the house, Personality quirks. The cutest picture ever. Oh, loves, hates. This is going to be so fun to fill out for him. Okay, important dates. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 8. So here's more important dates. You can fill those in. And then medical info. Okay, so he does have a chip. Oh, this is great to have. It's all in one spot. Insurance provider, member ID, RX, pharmacy. He does have a pharmacy. Past medical history. Pet. So vet visits, date, vet seen, reason, appointment notes. Oh, I love this. So you've got a couple of different pages so you can do several vet visits with different colors here. I love the bright colors. Okay, vaccination log, date, time, medication, and dose. Medication log. This is good for him because you know he's on so many meds. This will help me keep track of his Cytopoint shots. I also like to keep track of when I'm reordering his prescriptions, like how long they last, that kind of thing. So several pages here for that. Groomer log. He doesn't get groomed, but we do his nails. I do take him to the groomer to get his nails trimmed because that's not something I trust myself to do. And then food preferences, favorite snacks, least favorite, preferred brands. Oh, I love this food shopping tracker because we've been trying out different foods. So this is great. And then playtime, favorite toys. This is so cute. And this is big enough space here where if I wanted to put like a little picture from Emma's HP Sprocket, it would fit. Ways not to play. This is also great, I think, friends, for pet sitters. So like my niece always comes over to watch Otis, but like if I ever had to use a new one, like maybe another niece, we always have family come over, but someone that hadn't watched him before, this is great for them to get to know him. How perfect. Contacts, so the vet, urgent care, boarder, groomer, trainer, sitter again, pet friend. Oh, Hattie says pet friend. I'm going to put her here because it's pink. How fun. And then just some blank ones. Expense tracker. Oh, I'm going to need lots of pages for this, friends. Oh my gosh. Okay, whoops, I skipped a page. Okay, so this is Life is Better with My Pet. So this is that second half of the book that I mentioned in the beginning. They made the funniest face at me when, I'll never forget when they, oh, this is so sweet. Because my guy's 7 now. When they were younger. Oh, and you can put pictures here. Like, this is the perfect time for me to get this, you know? Like, you want to have all this before they get too much older. Favorite way to cuddle with them. One of my favorite quirks about them. Oh, the side eye. The bulldog side eye. A silly moment we had together. What happened on an adventure we had together. How sweet. A moment when they melted my heart. One of my favorite milestones that they reached. A memorable birthday or gotcha day we celebrate. Oh, friends, I need to get one of these for my sister-in-law. They just got a corgi. Well, Vivi is, she's 6 months old now, but still. Okay, so I need to order another one of these. And then just lots of lining for journaling about your baby boo-boo. Oh, this is so neat. How did I not know about this book before? And then lots of blank pages here for just pictures or drawings or whatever. And then let's see stickers here. I love my pet. How cute. Little boxes, little quotes here. Cute little asterisk boxes there. Little like appointment flags, a little bit of washi. Oh, this is sweet. I like the little pocket here too. So you could keep like any notes or anything like that you need in there. You got this. How cute is this? And then the back is just your heart. The words here from the Some Things Just Fill Your Heart Without Trying. This is so cute. I'm excited to get started on this. Okay, friends, last item is just a petite journal. It's just a Hello Kitty notebook. It has 80 lined pages. I just wanted a lined, thin, grab-and-go notebook. So, Hello Kitty's so cute. Oh, look at how sweet. I love this pink. And then just very simple, the Erin Condren logo. Just lined pages throughout. Let's see, it doesn't have a little pocket folder in the back here, but just a quick grab and go notebook. Easy enough to fit in a bag, like a tote, or in my laptop bag when I'm traveling. So very fun. All right, so we've got, like I said, 3 petite planners. So the 2 planners were on sale, but the lined notebook was just regular price. And then I've got my stickers here. I'm just going to pull everything back in so you can see it all together again. Alrighty, friends, so that's it for this video. My February monthlies and then some new little journals for me. Alrighty, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.